Hey, what's up? It's Timo Paints, and in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about how I generate leads for my business for only $1. I'm going to show you guys some screenshots and how I'm talk about how I converted them. What I did was I played around with some Facebook ads. I always wanted to try to do some Facebook ads, so I played around with some strategies on here, and I was blown away by the results. Now, if you look at the screen here, $25 I put in on it, and we got 24 message conversion, guys. That comes out to a little over $1 per lead. So like when I'm saying in the video, like if you want to know how I got this job for $1, like it's legit. Here's some proof here. I also have some a couple different message clip shots here to show you guys that it was working for me, and it was amazing. I actually had to shut the ad off after just about 3 or 4 days because I got inundated by people wanting me to come and do estimates, and there really wasn't enough time because people mostly contact you for an estimate not because they want you to paint 2-3 months from now. They usually want it within most cases is about 6 weeks or so. So by the time I started fulfilling the bids and going out to the estimates and meeting the prospects, I had already had potential work booked out, and I couldn't really accept anymore, so I shut down the ad. So I was blown away, and I would love to share it with you guys, and that's why I'm always telling you guys, click the top link in the description below and the pinned comment, because it works. It really does work, and I just wanted to show you guys. So I hope this helps you guys out. If you guys are struggling on getting some new business and you're just starting, or even if you're an established business, in this day and age, sometimes those old tactics, they don't work anymore depending on where you're at. I know my area is pretty saturated as far as competition goes. There's a lot of production painters around, but there's also a lot of custom painters, and those are my main competition, is the custom painters. So I figured out a way to get out ahead of them a little bit, and I want to share it with you guys. So click the link in the description below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because I'm going to be teaching you guys all kinds of junk here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching. Peace.